build up both fortress on. And then today I make a upgrade circle. That's better. Yeah, guys, that's good. And if you want to use it, okay. And then if you want to go up first, you need to go to this block. Go on to this block. That's a lot easy. That's a lot easy. And then jump. Yeah. And then you will go to this seat. And this seat not is. Oh no. And the seat, not this car seat, is this seat. You can know that. Yeah. Okay, and then I give you C, guys. That's good. First, you need to go back. That's good. But, guys, stop use that. Stop use it. That's bad. Because you will be like a dummies. Yeah. And stop. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No. Yeah. Okay, that's good, guys. You can do like this too. Beam, boom. Beam, boom. Beam, boom. Yeah, guys. You can do like this, and if you see the Corvette, you see. That's cool, bro. Okay, guys. That is so easy to use it. So easy. It's so easy. You don't need to think it. You just first you need to use some money. Yeah, yes. You need to use 12 gold. No, it's 120 gold. This and you need to use 12 this. 3 is 60 gold. That is expensive. You can use it. And I teach everybody how to get this get this a lot. First, if you want to use it, you can use this. Yeah, this. And then use the wrap. But I can't use it. Oh no. I can delete it. At first, if I need to delete the block, I'm always done. Go. And maybe I'm sometimes go on. Yeah. And then go. Guys, that's cool. Faster do you see it? That's pretty cool. But go. If guys, fireworks, go. Oh, jump. What? Yeah, I want to die. Yeah, guys, and then you can use this one. You can just start. And then, but I'm done, so I can. Okay, guys, you can making this. The name I'm saying is Master OP because he actually is master. And then I'm teaching everybody to making that. I don't need to teach you guys. Put 1 or 2, and then go. And then you can go to the circle, and then you will be have 2. That one. And then that's good, guys. Okay, today's videos is like this, and bye, guys. And if you can, subscribe and like, because if you doing like this, will help me. Bye, guys. Bye.